Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to bulk delete Google Groups in Google Workspace with xFanatical foresight. Deleting Google Groups manually is a slow and inefficient process. The Google Admin Console only allows deleting up to 50 groups at a time, which becomes a major challenge for organizations or schools that manage hundreds of groups. That's where xFanatical foresight comes in. With xFanatical foresight automation, administrators can delete Google Groups in bulk with just a few clicks. The automation ensures speed, accuracy, and security, saving hours of manual effort and keeping Google Workspace clean and organized. Let's dive in and see how it works. To set up this automation, admin needs to extract the list of Google Groups from the Google Workspace. Then the list will be uploaded to the automation rule to delete Google Groups in bulk. The template has two rules. Rule 1 lists and exports Google Groups to a CSV file, including the group email. Admins needs to edit the CSV file to keep only the Google Groups they want to delete. Rule 2 takes the extracted and edited CSV file from Rule 1 as input, and bulk deletes the Google Groups listed in the file. Rule 1 exports Google Groups to a CSV file. Sign into xFanatical foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Delete Google Groups template and click on it. In the Bulk Delete Google Groups page, click Copy Rule 1. For the first time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Bulk Delete Google Groups will display. Click Next and then click Review. In the Review screen, customize the rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Rule 2 Bulk Delete Google Groups. Go back to the Templates page. Go to Bulk Delete Google Groups page, click Copy Rule 2. Click Next and then click Review. In the Review screen, customize the rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. Go to the Rules page. Find the Copy of Export Google Groups rule and click the Play button. Wait momentarily and you will get a notification at the top right of. In the notification message, click View Log. Download the Google Groups CSV file by clicking the Here button in the log screen. Edit the CSV file and keep only the group details you want to delete from Google Workspace, and remove all the other group details which you want to keep. Go to the Rules page. Find the Copy of Bulk Delete Google Groups rule. Click Upload button of the Copy of Bulk Delete Google Groups rule, and select the edited CSV file. Wait momentarily and you will get a notification at the top right of. In the notification message, click View Log. In the log screen, you can see the CSV file name and deleted group email. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.